everyone. Today we have Dean of Medicine of the University GeoMedi. So we are going to have an interaction with her. So hi ma'am, how are you?
Hello, good. Thank you.
What makes your medical program unique?
First of all, we have the program of medicine in English and in Georgian, and that can be proved by results of our graduates who are showing impressive results during their FMG exams, during their USMLE exams, or different types of examinations.
यूनिवर्सिटी को बहुत ही खूबसूरती से डेकोरेट किया हुआ है with the 3D bodies, dummies. You can see how beautifully they have engraved and kept it as a showpiece over here, which totally defines that it is a university totally dedicated for all the medical students. So this is basically anatomy block. The classrooms have been divided, like there are 2 classrooms with a very small batch of students in each and every classes. This side, if you take towards my left, is the theory classes, and students can move towards the right for the practical. So this is the department of ER. How many students are there in one particular batch?
In one class?
Yes.
In one class, 6 to 8 students.
छोटे ग्रुप्स बनाए जाते हैं so that they have a clear access to the hospitals for their clinical trainings. So let's have a look at one more classroom. आपको ये चीज़ देख के बहुत क्लियरली पता चल रहा होगा that classrooms में बहुत ही अच्छे से स्टूडेंट्स को डिवाइड करने के लिए स्पेसेस दिए हुए हैं. छोटे बैचेस आते हैं.
Let's have a look after the manipulation room. Here also there are some body parts kept along with the mankind.
So this particular room is allocated for the X-ray center. Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology. यहाँ पे मैनकाइंड पूरा डमीज रखा गया है. प्रैक्टिकली स्टूडेंट्स समझ सकते हैं सो दैट दे डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इन देयर क्लिनिकल ट्रेनिंग. जब वो हॉस्पिटल्स जाएंगे उनके लिए बहुत एक क्लियर पिक्चर पहले से ही यहाँ पे बना दिया जाता है, विच हेल्प्स देम फॉर देयर प्रैक्टिकल एंड क्लिनिकल्स. यहाँ पे एक प्रॉपर डमी रखा गया है ऑफ अ प्रेग्नेंट लेडी. दिस इज़ बेसिकली ये पूरा डमी एक रियल ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरह होता है जिसमें आप फील कर सकते हैं द हार्ट रेट, द किक्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड. So yeah, it's a great experience. Can you just tell us how is your experience over here with the practical classes?
Yeah, so today we had about the auscultation and percussion of the hearts, and she teaches very clearly, step by step, and we get more experience by hospitals also.
Is it something like the students are absent या इतना ही batch होता है?
This is our batch. Only one student is absent.
So can I know the entire studies is in English?
Yeah, it's in English.
So you clearly heard that पूरी क्लास आपकी इंग्लिश में पढ़ाई हो रही है. जो सबसे बड़ा डाउट होता है इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स का, that whether पढ़ाई इंग्लिश में हो रही है या फिर उनके लोकल लैंग्वेज में हो रहा है. So the teachers are clearly teaching in proper English language. So this is the surgical center where students can do their practicals. Let's move towards the teaching part of the dentals. This area is particularly designated for the entire dental. So you can see how beautifully they have designed it. This is the dental clinic where patients generally visit for their checkups. गाइज अभी आपने क्लियरली देखा कि कितना सिक्योरिटी होता है ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम्स. दे स्कैन देयर फेसेस, इट गेट्स चेक्ड इन द टैब इटसेल्फ एंड दे गेट अलॉटेड कि कौन से एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में कौन सा पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट जाने वाला है. सो यू कैन जस्ट हैव अ पीप इन इट बट यू नॉट सपोज टू मेक एनी नॉइज. So let's move to the next department, that is the VR department, Virtual Research Department. Let's unbox one of the bag. So now we would be moving towards the library.
कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करोगे एमबीबीएस इंडियन एमबीबीएस अब्रॉड?
आई थिंक अगर हम बात करते हैं अब्रॉड एमबीबीएस की तो हमको एक ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर मिल रहा है. वी आर गेटिंग टू रोम अराउंड न्यू प्लेसेस, वी आर गेटिंग टू लर्न लिव लाइफ बाय आवरसेल्व्स. So that dependency on ourselves we get to learn. And for India, the education system is good, but then if I compare it for myself, from my experience, I think I would prefer the global aspect more because there's less pressure here.
So let's have a walk through to the students' favorite place, the canteen. This was the entire tour of University Geomedi. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And हाँ, अगर कुछ भी doubt हो, so you can comment down below. Education Vibes with connect with you.